This tutorial video is about the ways to remove Almarurics application. First, please subscribe to our channel to receive updates and the latest guides. Almarurics is a malicious executable file that is deemed malware and can greatly harm the Windows system once it enters the computer. This type of threat is typically connected to the coin miner Trojan, which excessively used computer resources to mine cryptocurrency, which leads to system slowdown and software malfunctions. To be able to eliminate Almarurics from the computer, please carry out the procedures in this video. Before we begin, make sure that you are logging in with an administrator account. To check for this, press Windows key and R on your keyboard. Then, type net plwiz in the field, click OK, or press Enter on your keyboard. The User Accounts window will display. It will show if the current account is an administrator. After confirming that your account is an admin, we can now go ahead to the procedures. We will now uninstall suspicious programs. Press the Windows key plus R on the keyboard. In the Run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl. Next, arrange the programs in chronological order to see the most recently installed programs. Select the adware or a suspicious program. Click the Uninstall button to remove it from Windows. After the uninstall procedure, please close the Programs and Features window and proceed to the next step. Next, we will need to delete malicious files that Windows Security cannot delete. Go to the Windows taskbar and search for CMD. Run the command prompt as an administrator. To remove the malware from the Program Files folder, type the following in the command prompt. You may also copy this command from the description below and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter on your keyboard to execute the command. If the file is in the ProgramData folder, please run this command. You may also copy this command from the description below and paste it in the command prompt. Press Enter on your keyboard to execute the command. You may now close the command prompt window and restart the computer. If you are unsuccessful in this procedure, we recommend that you execute the procedure after booting Windows in safe mode. During safe mode, the adware may not load most of its components, making it easier to delete. To begin, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. You will see a Run dialog box. Type msconfig in the field and click OK. In the System Configuration window, click on the Boot tab. Under the Boot options, click on Safe Boot and select Network. Click on the Apply button and OK to restart Windows. After booting Windows in safe mode, please do the following. Repeat the procedures numbered 1 and 2. Scan the computer with Microsoft Antivirus. Lastly, reboot Windows in normal mode using procedure number 3. We hope that this tutorial has helped you remove the adware or PUP from the computer. Please hit subscribe and like to support this channel. Thank you for watching.